In this video, let us discuss about the basics of digital electronics. Digital electronics is very important in today's life. Any signal in digital circuits or digital data. Digital signals can be transmitted with no degradation. In digital system, storing information is easier. Digital signals are more secure and hence it is essential to learn the fundamentals of digital electronics. The fundamental concept in digital electronics is number system. The topics I would like to cover in this video are the types of number system and complement representations in number system. Number systems. It is used to define magnitude of any quantity. There are four types of number system. They are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. This table illustrates various number system. Decimal number system. Base of decimal number system is 10. Base is otherwise named as radix. The symbols present in decimal number system are 0 to 9. For example, 3452 is a decimal number. Binary number system. Modern computers communicate and operate with binary numbers. Base of binary number system is 2. It has two digits 0 and 1. For example, 1011 is a binary number. For large decimal numbers, we have to deal with very large strings and therefore they do not like working with binary numbers. This gave rise to octal and hexadecimal numbers. Octal number system has the base 8 and the symbols present in octal number system are 0 to 7. For example, 6724 is a octal number. Hexadecimal number system. It has base 16 with 16 characters 0 to 9 and from A to F. For example, A 3 4 5 is a hexadecimal number. Let us see about decimal number system. It consists of 10 unique symbols with base 10. In general, the value of any mixed decimal number can be written as this equation. Here, d suffix 0 is in first integer position and it is multiplied by 10 power 0. And the second integer position here is d1 and it is multiplied by 10 power 1 and so on. While seeing after the decimal point, d suffix minus 1 is the first fractional position and it is multiplied by 10 power minus 1 and so on. In decimal, its weights are expressed as a power of 10. Consider a decimal number 9342.12. This is represented as follows. Here starting from the first integer position, the value here is 2. It is multiplied by 10 power 0, that is 1. As we all know, anything power 0 is 1. Have to multiply the first integer part with 1. And the second integer position value here is 4. It is multiplied by 10 power 1. The third integer position value is 3 and it is multiplied by 10 power 2. And the fourth integer position value here is 9 and it is multiplied by 10 power 3. While seeing after the decimal point, the value 1 is in first fractional position and it is multiplied by 10 power minus 1, that is 1 by 10. And the second fractional position value here is 2. It is multiplied by 10 power minus 2, that is 1 by 100. The sum of the digits gives the total number being represented. Binary number system. It has two digits 0 and 1 with base 2. A binary digit is called a bit. In general, the value of any mixed binary number can be written as this equation. Here, the first binary integer position before the binary point is multiplied by 2 power 0. The second integer position b suffix 1 is multiplied by 2 power 1 and so on. While seeing after the binary point b suffix minus 1 is in first fractional position and it is multiplied by 2 power minus 1. The next b suffix minus 2, it is a second fractional position and it will be multiplied by 2 power minus 2 and so on. In binary number system, weight is expressed as a power of 2. The place values left on the binary point in binary are 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. The place value is the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Consider a binary number 1011.101 to the base 2. This is represented as this form. Starting from the first integer position, the value here is 1. It is multiplied by 2 power 0. As we all know, anything power 0 is 1. Here 1 is multiplied with 1. The second integer position is 1. It is multiplied by 2 power 1. The third integer position value is 0. It is multiplied by 2 power 2 power 2. And the fourth integer position value is 1 and it is multiplied by 2 power 3. By seeing after the binary point, the value first fractional position value here is 1 and it is multiplied by 2 power minus 1. And the second fractional position value is 0 and it is multiplied by 2 power minus 2. Third fractional position value here is 1 and it is multiplied by 2 power minus 3. By adding each digit of a binary number in a power of 2, we can find the decimal equivalent of given binary number. Octal number system. It uses first 8 digits of decimal number system 0 to 7 with base 8. In general, the value of any mixed octal number can be written as this equation. Here O suffix 0 is the first integer position and it is multiplied by 8 power 0. Since its base is 8, we are multiplying by the base. And O suffix 1, it is the second integer position and it is multiplied by 8 power 1 and so on. And after the octal point, O suffix minus 1 is the first fractional position and it is multiplied by 8 power minus 1. And O suffix minus 2 is the second fractional position and it will be multiplied by 8 power minus 2 and so on. In octal, its weights are expressed as a power of 8. Consider an octal number 5631.12. This is represented as follows. Here, starting from the first integer position, the value here is 1. It is multiplied by 8 power 0. We all know anything power 0 is 1. So, the positional value is multiplied with 1. And the second integer position value is 3 and it is multiplied by 8 power 1. Third integer position value is 6 and it is multiplied by 8 power 2. Fourth integer position value is 5 and it is multiplied by 8 power 3. While seeing after the octal point, the value here is 1. It is the first fractional position value and it is multiplied by 8 power minus 1. This 2, the value here is 2. It is the second fractional position value and it is multiplied with 8 power minus 2. By adding each digit of octal number in a power of 8, we can find the decimal equivalent of given octal number. This table represents the equivalent value of octal number for a given decimal number. Hexadecimal number system. It has 16 characters with base 16. The digits are from 0 to 9 and from A to F. Since its base is 16, that is 2 power 4, every 4-bit combination can be represented by one hexadecimal digit. A 4-bit group is called a nibble. Here, A in hexadecimal number system is equivalent to 10 in decimal number system, and B in hexadecimal number system is equivalent to 11 in decimal number system. C in hexadecimal number system is equivalent to 12 in decimal number system. D in hexadecimal number system is equivalent to 13 in decimal number system. E in hexadecimal number system is equivalent to 14 in decimal number system, and F in hexadecimal number system is equivalent to 15 in decimal number system. In general, the value of any mixed hexadecimal number is given as this equation. Here, starting from the first integer position h suffix 0, it is multiplied with 16 power 0, and the second integer position h suffix 1 is multiplied with 16 power 1, and so on. And after the hexadecimal point h suffix minus 1, it is the first fractional position and it is multiplied by 16 power minus 1, and h suffix minus 2, it will be multiplied by 16 power minus 2, and it goes on. In hexadecimal, its weights are expressed as a power of 16. Consider a hexadecimal number A631.12. This is represented as A631.12. Here, the starting from the first integer position, the value here is 1. It is multiplied by 16 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So, you are multiplying the positional value with 1. Second integer position value is 3. It is multiplied with 16 power 1. Third integer position value is 6. It is multiplied by 16 power 2. And fourth integer position value is A. Here for this hexadecimal, the decimal equivalent is 10. So 10 is multiplied with 16 power 3. And after the hexadecimal point 1, it is the first fractional position and it is multiplied with 16 power minus 1. And second fractional position is 2. It is multiplied with 16 power minus 2. By adding each digit of a hexadecimal number in a power of 16, we can find decimal equivalent of given hexadecimal number. Now let us see the complement representations. There are two types of complement. First one is ones complement and second one is twos complement. Ones complement. It is the number that results when we change all ones to zeros and all zeros to ones. Consider an example for ones complement. 1101. So here, in order to find ones complement, we have to change all the ones to zeros and zeros to 1. Now the result is 1 is changed to 0 and 0 is changed to 1. So the result of 1101 to the base 2 is 0010 to the base 2. Consider and another one example 1101 001 to the base 2. In order to find the ones complement, first we have to change all the ones to zeros and then zeros to ones. So here this 1 is changed to 0 is changed to 1 is changed to 0 is changed to 1 and 1 is changed to 0. Now the result of ones complement of 1101 to the base 2 is 001 to the base 2. Two's complement, it is the number that results when we add 1 to the ones complement. So now 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1. Let us consider one example 1101 to the base 2. So in order to find the 2's complement, first we have to find out the 1's complement. 1's complement is changing all the 1's to zeros and zeros to 1's. Next, to find 2's complement, you have to add 1 with the 1's complement. So 1's complement plus 1 is 0011 to the base 2. Consider another one example 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 to the base 2. So in order to find the 2's complement, first we have to find 1's complement. 1's complement is changing all the 1's to zeros and then zeros to 1's. So after converting zeros to 1's and 1's to zeros, the result of 1's complement is this one. And we have to find out 2's complement. So add 1 with this 1's complement. So the result is 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 to the base 2. So in order to practice the concept explained in this video, I suggest you to work out the tutorials enclosed in this video. Check out the answers for the tutorial questions. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.